Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple, delicious coconut pineapple popsicle. Instead of buying popsicles that you are not sure of the ingredients, it is better to make yours at home with the ingredients that you're in control of. I'm gonna be using half a cup of dates as sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice. After washing the dates, I'm gonna cut them into little chunks and soak them in water overnight. You can soak it for a couple of hours or for 1 hour, but I'm just doing it a day ahead. After trying my recipe and you want yours to be sweeter than this, you can use more dates because it is natural and guilt-free. And we shouldn't forget that it is nutritious because it is high in potassium. So I just added enough water to cover the fruit. I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it till the next day. This is gonna help soften it up so that when it blends, it disappears into the smoothie. So this is the next day. The dates are soft and hydrated. I'm also gonna be using pineapple chunks and coconut milk. Feel free to use fresh pineapple and coconut. You can extract the milk from the coconut, but this is way easier for me, so I'm just gonna use the canned coconut milk. I'm pouring the coconut milk into a measuring cup so that I can tell you the amount of coconut milk I used. I'm gonna be using 4 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. To the blender, I'm gonna add the pineapple, the dates, and the coconut milk. I'm gonna be adding the coconut milk gradually because I don't want to burn my blender, so I'm gonna be adding it as needed. If this is your first time on my channel or my page and you are not following me or subscribed, please follow me on my page and also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Because the pineapple is frozen, it is very difficult for the blade to move easily. So I'm going to be adding coconut milk to help it move. Let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. And don't forget to also follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you. When I'm done, I'm going to be pouring the mixture into these beautiful molds. It is a good investment if you have little kids. And because I'm going to be having some left over, I'm going to also use ziploc bags. When you are pouring the mixture into the molds, try not to fill them to the brim because there needs to be space for the popsicle sticks. So I know it's really not too easy, but just try as much as you can. For the coconut milk, I used 1 1/4 cups. You could use between 1 cup to 1 1/4 cups. I guess because it is frozen, that's why I used more. But if you're using fresh pineapple, you're gonna need less because of the juice from the pineapple. When I'm done inserting the sticks, I'm gonna freeze the popsicles overnight. You can freeze them at least 6 to 8 hours. The leftover mixture is gonna go into the ziploc bags. I'm using the snack size and the double-sided tape, so the tape sticks on both sides. Cut the tape to the length of the ziploc bag and place it on the ziploc bag close to the top of it so that it can fold nicely over itself. The next thing I'm gonna do is to open the bag halfway. It is easier to manage it when you open it halfway, but feel free to open it all the way. I'm gonna pour in the mixture halfway. Try not to fill it up because we're gonna fold the bag over itself to form a popsicle bag. Try as much as possible to remove the air from the bag so that it can fold over nicely. Then seal it up properly so that the content does not spill. So you're going to fold it to the side that has the tape so that the tape can stick to the other side of the bag. I'm gonna be placing them in this plastic freezer safe container so that they can stay flat and maintain the shape, and repeat the same process until I'm done. Whenever I make popsicles, I always have leftovers. So what I normally do is to pour the leftover into Ziploc bags. It is a clever way of using what you already have instead of spending money to go buy popsicle bags. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna cover the container and freeze it overnight. So this is the next day. The popsicles are frozen solid, ready for consumption. So see the two types, the ones in the Ziploc bags and the regular mold. Don't they look like the ones made in regular popsicle bags? So you don't have to waste money to go buy popsicle bags if you already have Ziploc bags and a tape. One common problem people have with homemade popsicles is how to remove the popsicles from the mold if you are not using a silicone mold. So it's very easy to do. Just place the popsicle under a running tap or faucet for a few seconds and it will slide out. Or you could dip the popsicle into a bowl of water and it's going to slide right out easily. You can also leave it out on the countertop for a few minutes and it's going to slide out easily too. Look at this beautiful, delicious goodness. As you can see, the color is uniform. There are no large pieces of dates. That is the importance of soaking the dates before blending it so that you don't have the problem of what is this. Nobody knows what was used in sweetening the popsicles. The only thing they're going to enjoy is the delicious goodness. So let us look at the Ziploc bag popsicle. It is quite easy to open, very child friendly. Just open it, pop it out and you start enjoying it. The child can wrap the bag around it and enjoy it. And when it starts melting, it's gonna melt into the bag. So there's no mess created. I can't wait to take a bite. This is very delicious. If you're a pineapple or coconut lover, this is an excellent snack for you. And if you are health conscious, it is a good snack to give to your kids because it is guilt-free. There's no additives, just natural fruits. So why not give this recipe a try? I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Instead, you're gonna love it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you.